This is Pegasus. She's a sleek 2005 Hunter 33. She is proudly sailed by Captain Tom and Admiral Peggy. All summer long, you'll find this dynamic duo competing in the White Lake Yacht Club Keelboat races on beautiful White Lake, Michigan. These races are open to the public on Saturdays throughout the summer, so everyone is welcome to join the fun and friendly competition. It's not too late to get involved for the rest of the 2026 season. On Saturday, June 27, 2026, under perfect afternoon conditions, Captain Tom and Admiral Peggy sailed Pegasus to a strong second-place finish. We're already looking forward to the next challenge as this series continues to grow in size and excitement. Contact the White Lake Yacht Club for more information.